Every kid deserves to grow up experiencing the sheer thrill, the absolute joy and delight of watching popcorn leaping into the air. Around here, it's a regular spectacle, and you don't need a microwave to put on this show. Here's everything you need to make a batch of old school popcorn. Instant kid impressor, because popcorn's been around since long before microwaves were invented, and kids have been unimpressed with parents since kids were invented. I'm proud to say that I've conducted extensive field research into the art and science of popcorn, and I've discovered that popcorn, well, in essence, popcorn is just a butter sponge. So why not go all the way? Why is popcorn always popped in oil? Why not just pop it in butter? And for that matter, why not pop it in brown butter? All you have to do is just make sure that your popcorn is ready to go when the butter's ready. This is probably the toughest recipe I've ever written. 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of popcorn. There's a fine line between brown butter and black butter, and the key to not crossing that line, it's actually the popcorn, because as soon as you pour the popcorn into the browning butter, you lower the temperature of it back into the flavor zone and out of the danger zone. Once the popcorn's in the pan, you've got to strike a fine balance with your heat. You don't want it so high that the popcorn's popping but the butter's burning, and you don't want it so low that the butter's not burning but the popcorn's not popping. The best thing to do is just keep it right about medium, maybe just below medium, whatever medium is on your stove. Now the next step is extraordinarily important. Get the kids, gather everybody, bring them to the kitchen to watch what's going on. Have your lid ready to go. And you're not allowed to put the lid on the pot until a few popcorns are all over the kitchen and the kids are running crazy and picking them up. That's the point. Let them see the action. Let them believe that this doesn't have to happen in the microwave. So what? It's a mess. Popcorn's meant to be fun. Okay, not too much mess though. And don't put the lid on tightly. Leave a little slot here for the steam to come out. You don't want the steam staying inside and making the popcorn soggy. And then the most important part of all, listen. Listen carefully. You'll hear the cadence pick up. You'll hear it. And as soon as it sounds like it's slowing down, turn off the heat. Step back, hands off. It'll finish all by itself and it won't burn. And there's always a few stragglers left. Ha ha, brown butter popcorn. That's the good stuff. But don't stop here, because as tasty as this is, you can always make it tastier. It's really easy to toss sugar together with a few herbs or spices and craft a custom seasoning for your popcorn lovers. This one has a chocolate theme. 1 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, all chocolate. This one's kind of spicy Southwestern. 1 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, also in chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, which goes really, really well with chili powder. And this one's apple pie. 1 cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of cinnamon. 3 completely different flavor profiles. Think chocolate with this one, think spicy, sweet Southwestern here, and this one's all apple pie all the time. All 3 of these make way more than you need for 1 batch of popcorn, but that's cool, that's the point, because once you try this, you're going to want to have leftovers. It's a lot of fun crafting your own customized seasonings, but I gotta admit, my favorite is still the plain brown butter popcorn.